how to replace the thermometer on your Weber gas grill. This is a Spirit 300, I believe, in case sometimes these thermometers will go bad and they'll stop indicating any temperature or they'll be way off. They're very easy to replace and they are not expensive at all. I'll put a link down below to where you can get a replacement thermometer. But all we need to do this is we're just going to lift it up, and you should be able to see under here there is a thermometer probe here, and there is a wing nut here that we can just come in and loosen with our hand. So I'm just going to loosen that wing nut with my hand. It comes off the probe, and then from there I can just pull the whole assembly out. If you can see that there. And then what I'll do is this is the part that I'll replace. And then what I'll do is you'll get the new thermometer, and you'll see there's a notch here and there's a notch here. Just make sure that notch lines up there when you put the new thermometer in. And then you'll also see there's a notch. There's a little tab notch here, and there is a secondary hole right here. Just make sure that notch goes right in that hole there. Lift it up. Put your wing nut back on. And just tighten it down so that it doesn't need to be super tight. Just make sure that it's snug, and you're done.